Hi, my name is Virginia Chang and I'm the Customer Experience Design Manager in the Innovation Division at MIA. This is the E Satellite redesign project. It comprises of 30,000 square foot and it services about 7 gates for national and international flights. Phase 1 of this project entails the changing of the old carpet for new flooring, and we are proposing to do LVT tiles, which is a sustainable product and more durable than carpet. So it should provide a canvas for the new furniture that we're including with the power capabilities and the upholstered seating for the limited mobility passengers that we have at MIA. We are including some sensory booths, about 6 of them, and 2 are going to be ADA, where people can go in and at least have a quiet moment before they take their flight. We are also adding acoustical seating where the upholstered seats have a vertical surrounding where you can sit and take a break from the commotion around you and relax before you get on your flight. Phase 2, we will get the space ready with electricity, hopefully by the summer of 2026. We always give the opportunity to local companies and especially small businesses. And the flooring installer, they are a small company and is woman-owned. Some of the furniture got awarded also to the smaller dealers. This project is key in setting the tone for the rest of the airport because whatever enhances the passenger experience, we can translate that onto the other concourses at MIA.